What's good, guys? We're back on a golf course, kind of. We are on the practice holes at Cat Key Golf Course here in Big Rapids at Ferris State. Got Wyatt back again. He came up with the idea that we should do a 3-hole match. So there's 3 practice holes: par 4, par 3, and par 4. Stroke play? Yeah, stroke play. All right, we'll do stroke play. Wyatt's up first, and first round of the year. Let's go. All right, Wyatt recently got his new toy. Stealth 2. He's got driver up here, par 4, down the hill. No pins today, but we know where the holes are. This hole is in the front. And starting off hot. Fairway? Good shot.
All right, Lincoln here with 3-wood because he does not have a driver still. Left side of fairway, maybe left rough. All right, Link here, probably about 70-ish yards. Got a 60 degree. Nice shot.
All right, Wyatt here. I landed pretty close, actually. 4 or 5 feet, but pretty sure he's got 60 degree. See what he can do. Sit. Oh, it ripped. All right, Wyatt's to the left, onto the right. All right, Wyatt, about 10 feet for his birdie. I'm right here for my birdie. Green's a little wet today, but I think this is like the only really wet green. Applies the pressure. Good putt.
Link says no push-ups today. Here he is for bird. Good putt.
All right, hole 2 or hole 20 at the Cat. Practice holes. Par 3. About a 130-ish shot. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a little cardboard or carton on the green, and that's where the hole is. So it's up here. What club you got?
A little P.
Little pitching wedge. Just left of it. Oh, long. Hit the snow.
Lincoln's got a little pitch as well. That's like right at it.
I'm long too.
You're a little long too?
All right, we were both in the snow, and obviously we're not going to putt through that. So we kind of moved it closer, but who really cares? We're not putting through the snow, and he's right there. He was like back there. So I got about 15, 20 feet. He's got just inside of it.
All right, Link here for get off to a hot start. That's good.
All right, I'm in for par. Wyatt for birdie to go 1 up. Go. That's good. All right, we're both still 1 under. Tied going into last. All right, hole 21 or hole 3 of our match at the Cat. Par 4. Fairway goes from there all the way up there. There's like 5 holes on this green because it's usually used for chipping, but we're gonna play the middle left pin. Wyatt's up here first, got driver in hand. Cutting up the right side. Should be safe.
All right, Link with 3-wood. Oh no.
Goodbye.
That one might be going.
I hit the tree.
On the other side?
Yeah.
Oh no. Me and Link discussed the yardage here for him after I let him drop because I'm nice. He's got, we think, about 125 into the wind. Little pitching wedge. And he chunked the absolute piss out of it.
Alright, Wyatt's drive is right over there on the right side of the fairway. Got about 60 to 70 yards left. What club are you hitting?
My sandwich, because I don't have 60.
It's pretty good.
Alright, Lincoln here in the bunker. He's got to make it probably for par and hope I miss. And he left it way short.
There's the golf that I usually play. Had to come out at some point.
Lincoln chipping for bogey. Got to make it.
All right, Wyatt's just gonna finish out. He gave that to me for bogey. Appreciate it. Double, sorry, yeah. This is for Wyatt just to rub it in. Maybe it can make birdie.
Just to rub it in.
God,
They're so slow.
it's not good. Good par.
Thanks. Pleasure, sir.
Pleasure. Good 3-hole quick match. All right, that's gonna do it from the old Cat National. We'll see you guys in the spring, hopefully. Need some warmer weather though. Peace out.